play on national TV, to play in a bowl game. It's a measure for success for everybody that plays at this level. Every team has the goal of playing in the postseason and playing in a bowl game.
What makes fun of your car? Oh, what do we got? It's old and beat up. That's 2. We'll take both.
Okay, put the Army players over here.
Hey, Edgar. Hey, John.
Oh yeah, Joe!
Joe. Oh yeah, Joe, come over that. That's out. Extra large.
Infantry last.
Korea.
Couple infantry guys here. Hopefully soon to be.
Oh yeah, I got it. I got that. Come on, man. Boy. Hey, this is some too good looking man right here.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.